Hi everybody, it's Miss Debbie here. I'm so glad to be with you today. Today we have something very special I want to talk about. We're going to talk about birthdays. But first, we need to sing our song. I've got my auto harp, so get your fingers together. Here we go. Ready? Here we go. The more we get together, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. For your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Good job, everybody. Thanks for singing along with me. Well, I can't wait to talk about birthdays. Everybody celebrates birthdays. There's so much fun with it. Look at this picture. It says, Happy Birthday. Look at those presents and the candles. The happy birthday have our candles. Well, we have birthdays. Look at these friends celebrating their birthday. Look at that yummy cake. They look like they're having a good time, don't they? Our families also celebrate birthdays. Look, Granddad's celebrating a birthday. I don't know if he's as old as his number of candles on that cake, though. But look at his family, all having a good time, making sure he has a fun birthday. We can also celebrate birthdays for our pets. Do you know what this animal is? Some of you might know it's a chinchilla. Chinchillas come in different colors. Usually you don't see one in this color. Usually they're gray, but they do come in both colors. I actually had chinchillas. And I had chinchillas, gray chinchillas, and I did have tan chinchillas. They're a very nice pet. And it's fun for them to have their birthday to celebrate too. I have a rhyme about birthdays that I want you to do with me. So if I want you to get your arms and make a great big circle with your arms, and it goes like this. Big birthday cake, ice cream dish. Here come the candles. Let's put the candles out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we make a wish. Close your eyes, make a wish. And get ready, deep in breath. And we're gonna blow them out. Did you blow them all out? Good job. Can we try that one more time? Get your hands ready again. Here we go. Big birthday cake, ice cream dish. Here come the candles. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we make a wish. Close your eyes, make a wish. Deep breath and blow them out. Good job, guys. Well, the next time you see me, we'll be at my house. We're going to go there because we're going to help Luke, my dog, celebrate his birthday. We're going to make him a cake, and we'll sing happy birthday to him. So, I'll see you in a minute. Bye. Hi, everybody. It's Miss Debbie, and we're in my backyard again. And today, you're going to help me celebrate Luke's 3rd birthday. Luke's 1, 2, 3. Luke's my dog. I have a dog, Luke and Leia. Let me see if I get Luke. Lukey, come here, Luke. Come here, little Luke. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Here's Luke. We're going to celebrate your birthday today. Is that good? Good boy. All right. But you know what? We need to make Luke a birthday cake. And this is a very special birthday cake. It's just for dogs. And we'll post the link on our website for you to be able to see it, or on Facebook. So, but first, I need you to be down here. Up, Leia, do you want to say hi too? Come here, girl. This is Leia. Come here, Leia. Can everybody see Leia? This is Leia. Leia's 5, but her birthday isn't right now. We're going to be celebrating Luke's, but we'll be sure to give you some of the cake, okay? Okay. This is a very fun cake to make, and it's got one of Luke's favorite things and Leia's favorite things. It's got peanut butter in it. But first, you need a mug. And inside the mug, you need to put some cooking spray because you don't want your cake to get stuck inside there when it's done. So I will spray it all. Next comes peanut butter. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. So let's get some peanut butter in here for Luke. Okay, there's 1. Oh, Lukey's favorite thing. And 2. Don't know where they went. Lukey. Lukey. I usually don't use my finger if I'm making cakes for my family, but since it's for Luke, I'm going to let him lick my finger. Oh, Leia wants some licks too. Come here. Come on. Come on. There you go. Clean it up nice and good. There you go. Good job. Okay. Next thing we add is 4 tablespoons of flour. You don't like the flour as much as the peanut butter. I know. So we'll put the flour in. All right. What comes next? Baking powder. Here's my baking powder, and I need a half a teaspoon of baking powder. So I'll take that. I'll measure out a half a teaspoon, and in it goes. Okay. The next thing I need is some water. And I've already measured that out too. It's in my bowl. So we'll pour the water in. Does that look good? Luke's already over here wanting to eat. Let's see, there's only one more thing I need to put in here, Luke. Let me see if I can see. There's Luke. I need to put in some vanilla. Let's get some vanilla in there, and that's a half a teaspoon of vanilla. All right. It's all done. It's all ready to be stirred. So take your spoon and let's mix it all up. Oh boy, what do you think, Lukey? What do you think, Leia? Does it look good? Oh, I think you can see their noses. Their noses are smelling it already. Yum, yum. Oh, you'll like this. This will be fun. Okay, it's pretty much done being mixed. It's all mixed in here. What do you think? Does it look done? Yeah? Okay. Let me show it to everybody. See? It's all mixed together. And now it's ready to go in the microwave. Put it in the microwave for 90 seconds. But because I'm outside, I don't have a microwave. But I did already make one. And I've got the cake. Oh, Luke knows it's already here. I've already got one made. Look at that. But it's not ready yet. It needs some icing. And of course, for Luke, his favorite kind of icing is peanut butter. So we'll take some peanut butter and we'll smooth it on the cake. A little bit more. Just to make it nice and yummy, yummy. Oh boy, Luke. Oh boy, Luke. And Leia. I know, Luke can't wait. But you know, we have one more thing we need to do with it. Because it's your birthday, we need to put some candles on it. Do you remember how old I said Luke was? Think. 3. So we need 3 candles. I have a blue candle. I have a green candle. And I have a yellow candle. Let's see how that looks. What do you think? Lukey, do you like that? Luke says he likes it. But Luke, we've got to light our candles now. This is something Mommy and Daddy would do. So Mommy and Daddy can take their lighter and let's see if I can get tight. There we go. Let's light the candles. 1, 2, 3. Getting a little windy out here. Uh-oh, don't blow my candles out. Let's try it this way. There we go. They're all lit. You want to see? Look at my birthday cake for Luke. Look how pretty. Hey Luke, come here. We've got to sing happy birthday to you. Come here. Come on. Come here. There you go. Are you ready? Can you sing happy? I know, I love you too. Can you sing happy birthday to Luke? Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Luke. Happy birthday to you. All right, you ready? Let's make a wish and we'll blow the candles out. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Did you help blow the candles out with me? Thank you so much. All righty. Now, let's see if Luke's gonna like his birthday cake. Leia, would you like a piece too? Come here. Come here. Oh my goodness. Here's a piece of birthday cake for Luke. Does Luke like it? Did you like it? Luke liked his cake. But we need to give one to Leia also. So here we go, Leia. Come here. Leia, come here. Come here so they can see you eat your cake. Lukey, back up. Leia's coming in. Come here, Leia. There's Leia. Good girl. Mwah. Leia gets some cake too. Thank you very much for helping me celebrate Luke's birthday. And I'll see you real soon when we go back to the library to do some more birthday things. Bye. Hi guys, we're back at the library. Wasn't that fun celebrating Luke's birthday with him? Luke and Leia had a great time, and you know, they really liked their cake. I actually snuck a piece later, and you know, it wasn't too bad. I have a rhyme for us today, and it's about a birthday cake. And look at the pretty candles. Let's see how many candles are on there. You ready? Can we count them? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 candles, and that's the name of the rhyme. It's called 5 Candles on a Birthday Cake. So here we go. 5 candles on a birthday cake, 5 and not one more. You may blow one candle out. Get ready. We're going to blow. Deep breath and now there are only, how many is left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now there's only 4. 4 candles on a birthday cake, there for all to see. You may blow one candle out. Get ready, here we go. Now there are only 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 candles on a birthday cake, standing straight and true. You may blow one candle out. Here we go, deep breath, and now there are only, how many? You're right, 2. 1, 2. 2 candles on a birthday cake, helping us have fun. You may blow one candle out. Ready? One more time, get ready. Now there's only, what's left? There's only 1. 1 candle on a birthday cake, looking very neat. You may blow one candle out. Let's blow them out one more time. Ready? Here we go. Now it's time to eat. Ooh, would you like some? Here, let me share some with you. Here you go. You ready? Catch. Here's some. 1. Here's some for you. Here's some for you. Here's some for you. And here's some for you. And some for me. Nom, 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 nom. That was some good birthday cake. What flavor was yours? Mine was chocolate with vanilla icing. Did you have another flavor like different than that? Birthday cakes come in all kinds of different flavors. That's one of the special parts about them. Well, I thought we would do a song about a dog. Since we celebrated Luke's birthday, I have a song for you called Rags. I used to have a dog named Rags, but I'm going to need your help because we do some motions with the song. Rags has flippy ears. So can you put your hands on your head and go flip, flop, flip, flop? Wig wags. He's got a wig wag. He's going to wig wag his tail. So wig wag, wig wag, wig wag. And he zigzags. So, are you ready? Here we go. I have a dog and his name is Rags. He eats so much that his tummy sags. His ears flip, flop. Get your ears ready. Flip, flop. And his tail wig wags. And when he walks, he goes zigzag. He goes flip, flop, wig wag, zigzag. Flip, flop, wig wag, zigzag. Flip, flop, wig wag, zigzag. I love Rags and he loves me. He rolls around in the grass all day. And when I whistle, ooh, can you whistle? That's pretty hard. Let's try. He doesn't obey. He always runs the other way. He goes flip, flop, wig, wag, zigzag. Flip, flop, wig, wag, zigzag. Flip, flop, wig, wag, zigzag. I love Rags and he loves me. Good job, guys. Thanks for singing along with me. Well, I hope you had a fun time celebrating birthdays and getting to meet my dogs. Well, we have one more thing to do before we go. We need to sing our song. So let me get my auto harp. And you get your fingers together, and we're going to sing our song. You ready? Here we go. Good job, guys. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you real soon.